Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. In this video, we talk about a stock which Ramesh Damani has identified as one which offers great value after the recent correction. Now this is a recent listing and is available at below its IPO price. Please watch this video to know more. Now speaking on a recent television interview, the link for which we have provided in the description section, Ramesh Damani mentioned that he was actively looking at a recent PSU listing which is trading below its IPO price. He mentioned that the stock was from the railways sector and was trading at single-digit price to earnings ratios. Now we did our research and came across the fact that there were only two recent railway PSU listings, and those were Ircon International and RITES, and among them only Ircon was trading below its IPO price. Now, Ircon is currently trading at Rs 425.25 and the face value for it is 10. The symbol for it is IRCON. Now, Ircon International is a construction company which is into the construction of transportation infrastructure. The company's primary charter is the construction of railway projects in India and abroad. Now, the one-year chart is not available here as this is a new listing, and post-listing, the stock really hit the nadir. However, of late it is corrected. The market cap of the company is 3,999.54 crores, which means that it's a small cap one. Now here it's imperative to mention that we are classifying small caps as stocks with market capitalization less than 5,000 crores. The company has an EPS of 40.55, which translates into a price to earnings ratio of 10.4870, which is dirt cheap when compared with the industry PE of 25.91. The price to book ratio of 1.07 is also very cheap. The company has a strong dividend yield of 4.81%, whereas the promoter holding is also a very strong factor and stands at a very sound number of 89.18%. The only chink in the armor is the debt to equity, which is at 1.1033 and is slightly concerning. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching. And if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.